Welcome to GSL GM City, 1720 Boat Trail, southwest in Calgary, Alberta. Today we're looking at the brand new 2020 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT Custom Trail Boss. This big beautiful white truck is lifted and as well as is powered by the 5.3 liter V8 mated to the 10-speed automatic transmission. Once you jump up into this big truck, we do have the power windows and power mirrors, auto locks. Up here we have the transmission select mode, 4x4 push buttons, as well as all your lighting options. Moving to the steering wheel, leather black wrapped heated steering wheel with the black Chevy bow tie in the center, your cruise control on one side, dash controls and speak to talk on the other. Looking at the odometer here, only 5 kilometers on this truck. It is brand new. Moving to the center, we have the push button start, heated front seats for the driver and passenger. Big feature, integrated trailer braking system. Plug in your trailer and your truck acknowledges it and knows what's going on. It's a big selling feature, as well as the 8-inch touchscreen for your navigation, audio, and climate controls. Your climate controls here as well. Truck is equipped with parking sensors as well as the auto stop start, but you can turn it off. Moving through the truck here, we do have the dual glove boxes, lots of storage for anything you may have. Black leather interior, wood trim pieces thrown in there, black leather seats as well. On the exterior of this Trail Boss, we do have the 18-inch wheel and tire package. Beautiful looking all black rims with the Wrangler DuraTrack off-road tires on it. Now this is a Trail Boss, so it does have the factory GM lift in it, the 2 inches in the front with an inch in the rear, as well as the black front and rear bumpers. You do have that tow hitch hanging out of the rear bumper there as well. This truck is tow capable and tow ready right off the lot. Moving back into the interior here, we do have the large leather bench seat, 60/40 split, cup holders fold down from the center, dual USB outlets there, your heating vents. That extra headroom for your tall passengers makes a world of a difference. Beautiful wood grain trim throughout. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on this 2020 Chevrolet Trail Boss. Hope you come down and take it for a test drive at GSL GM City, 1720 Boat Trail, Southwest.